Connecting a new device on Fiverr is a straightforward process that allows you to access your account from multiple devices. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth connection. Step 1. Open the Fiverr app or website. Begin by launching the Fiverr app on your device or visiting the Fiverr website through your preferred web browser. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is typically found in the profile menu, which you can access by clicking on your profile picture or name. Step 4. Select device management. In the account settings, look for the option labeled device management or something similar. This section allows you to manage the devices connected to your Fiverr account. Step 5. Add your new device. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Now you can enjoy using Fiverr on your new device. If you encounter any issues, refer to Fiverr's Help Center for additional support.